Santa's here to sing. Let's learn the ABCD. With Christmas, everything. Ho, ho, ho! Let's go! A for angel flying in the snow. B for bells, ding, ding, here we go. C for candy, sweet and red and white. D for deer, pulling Santa through the night. E for elf, working happily. F for fireplace, warm and cozy. G for gift, wrapped with bows so bright. H for holiday, full of joy and light. Ho, ho, ho! Keep singing! Ha, ha! I for icicle, shining crystal clear. J for jolly, Santa's favorite cheer. K for kids, happy everywhere. L for lights, twinkling everywhere. M for mittens, warm and snuggly too. N for North Pole, where the snow is new. P for presents, packed all carefully. Ho, ho, ho! You're doing great! Q for quiet, night before Christmas Day. R for reindeer, ready to fly away. S for Santa, riding through the sky. T for tree, standing tall and high. U for unity, everyone together. V for village, snowy Christmas weather. W for wreath, hanging on the door. X for Xmas fun, laughter evermore. Y for yummy, cookies in a line. Z for zoom, Santa sleigh time. A, B, C, sing with me. Christmas joy from A to Z. Ho, 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 what fun we had. Merry Christmas, kids, from Santa